My name's Eric Noran. I'm a fire captain here at the Scituate Fire Department. Been here for 16 years, and in that time I'm in charge of the fleet maintenance program. So we implemented Station Smarts in 2018. Prior to that, we were using handwritten logbooks, and our daily duty roster was done with a typewriter. So prior to Station Smarts, we were doing very limited tracking with repairs. There's been so many incidents over the years with NFPA, fire departments, and accidents. It's difficult to track all these repairs. So when Station Smarts came on, we implemented the Apparatus Module, which allows us to log and track all of our repairs on a weekly basis, a daily basis, and it allows the shift commanders to go on and make a repair request. With a repair request, the mechanic gets an email and a text about what needs to be repaired and the urgency of it. And then with that, if an apparatus is logged out of service, the chief, the deputy, and the shift commanders get a notification as well. So it saves a lot of notification steps for myself. From starting from day one with a new apparatus, we can log we backfill all the information for the pre-build. Once that vehicle goes in service, we have an in-service date, we have an in-service cost. We can set a schedule for replacement. We can set a replacement cost, and then under that, I can track every single repair that we've done to that vehicle, every check that's been done to that vehicle. There's a way to track the equipment that's on that vehicle.